Patingin lang.
Nagets mo na.
Thank you po.
Wala ako.
Ay, okay po. Balikan mo kita
Wala
pa.
ko muna. Tatagal na iisip pa ako.
No, but leave it with mom. That she eats already before she comes to the restaurant.
I think so I need lang a little bit.
This is the bottomless size, sir. Thank you. Then you're good. Excuse me, good afternoon. This is our appetizer, the onion drinks po. Thank you so much. Then a dip sauce or remoulade and regular sauce po.
I'm not a big fan of onion.
It's so nice.
Ano to? You know what?
Excuse me, your smoked spring chicken with potato salad and mac and cheese on the sides. Then you have white Alabama sauce po. Then one ribs and chicken with mashed potato. Thank you so much. Then gravy on the sides.
That's mine, but okay.
Then braised leaf breaks with potato salad on the sides. Excuse me. Then one ribs and chicken with coleslaw on the sides. Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry.
No, this is yours. Yours is mashed potato, right?
Yeah.
That is coleslaw.
And this one, smoked spring chicken with mashed potato and corn carrots.
Ako, treat na lang ako.
Sure.
Oh, man. Man. Ito ba sa'yo? Yeah. I didn't like change this.
Excuse me, ma'am, this for you.
No, it's just the side. I don't like these sides. Those are my sides. Gusto ko ito. Ano ba, ma? Sabi mo mashed potato kasi ba? Kasi ano potato? Kaya natin cheese. Papalit mo na lang yun. Ano pa papalit?
Yun ang smile.